Unraveling the phrase, check over, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common but sometimes confusing English phrase, check over. Understanding this phrase can really help in both everyday conversations and professional settings. So, let's dive in and make sense of it together. The phrase, check over, is a phrasal verb that combines check and over. It means to examine or review something carefully to ensure it is correct, complete, or in good condition. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, from academic work to everyday tasks. To better understand check over, let's look at some practical examples. 1. In a work setting, could you check over the report before we submit it? This means to review the report for any errors or issues. 2. In academic context, I need to check over my answers before handing in the exam. Here, it implies reviewing answers to ensure accuracy. 3. In daily life, I always check over my shopping list before leaving the house. This means to look through the list to make sure nothing is forgotten. 1. Not a physical check. Remember, check over is not used for physical or security checks. It's about reviewing or examining something like a document, work, or list. 2. Context matters. Be mindful of the context. Check over might sound too formal in casual, brief interactions. I hope this video helps you understand and confidently use the phrase, check over, in your daily English communication. Remember, it's all about reviewing or examining something carefully. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.